later on in life, a conflict arises between mom and wife or the in-laws, because everyone has their rights and you need to fulfill everyone's rights upon you. Sometimes the wife has a right upon you and the mom has no right to step in the way of that. That's not part of birr al-walidain, to neglect your wife. That's not what I'm talking about. But I'm saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala understands and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what's legitimate. You do not want to sacrifice the pleasure of your parents over anybody. At least, especially from the get-go. Especially from the get-go. And you know what? Whenever you have conflicts in marriage, do you know who you fall back on? Your parents, your families. If your families are against you and they don't want this to succeed, it's really not going to last very long. If your parents don't want it to work, her parents don't want to work, the first conflict, and you go back and you talk to your parents or they sense something is wrong, say, see, I told you so. You should have listened to me. Right? It's going to fall apart from the very start. And at the same time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would definitely withhold the barakah of that relationship if the parents were unjustifiably upset, or justifiably upset. I'm sorry, if you wronged them, okay, and you took away that right from them. We have to also be sensitive, and I really mean this. You know how long your parents have planned out, the day that they would see you get married, and they would be there for you, right? And they would see that special day. Don't take that away from them. That's something that's very special. Unless, again, you really, really have to. But don't do it without justification. Okay, don't take that moment away from them.